Right, okay. Well, Susan, Sam, what can I say? It arrived yesterday, so I wasn't going to open it while Christmas Day, but Susan, after this morning, I got the impression that you was keen on me opening it now. So here we are. Let's have a look. Now then, 12 packs. Ooh, now then, let's have a look. That's nothing else in there. Just make sure there's no dollar bills. You know, there might be some dollar bills in there. Right, so let's have a look. Priority mail. Tracked and insured. United States Postal Service. Wow. What would that record with Elvis Presley? Return to sender. Return to sender. Address unknown. I'll leave it to Elvis there. Hey up, there's a letter in it. Now then. What's this letter say? The legend of the Gremlin Bell, a biker's tradition. Some say the Gremlin Bell is a supernatural protector against evil spirits that haunt the roads looking for bikers to harm. Others say it's simply a tradition of kindness between riders and friends. Whatever you believe, the Gremlin Bell is a unique legend in the biker community, and we'll tell you all about it in this article. So let's have a read of that. So, wow. There's a, what do you call it, a cable tie there loose. That's interesting. That's probably to put around the bell perhaps. And now then, let's have a look at this. I've heard of the Division Bell, Pink Floyd. In fact, I just watched that the other day. Wow. Oh wow. Isn't that kind? Isn't that so kind? Hey, I can summon you now, Sue. Now then, Deal's Gap. Wow, 318 curves, 11 miles. Now Deal's Gap is a resort in North Carolina, I think it is, and it's a mecca for bikers. And as it says there, there's 316, not 18, 316 curves. That's bends. We call them bends. Altogether in 11 miles. Wow. I would love to ride that road. And I've seen it on there, on YouTube, many times. So yeah, that is so kind. And obviously the cable tie is to tie it to the bike or whatever. Not good that. Well, Sam, Susan and Susan's mum, I love you all, I really do, and thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's really lovely. And so you'll see this video when I get it up on YouTube. I'll do that probably later today. And it is now 22 minutes past 11. It'll be still night time or early morning your time. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love you.